Hello, welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can perform a warranty status check on your HONOR X6b. So first, go to your HONOR device and type in and dial this number in a blue bold text, and this is the quickest way to access your IMEI number. Then enter the IMEI.info website and paste in or type in your IMEI number. And you'll get some basic info about your phone, and down here you have the HONOR warranty check. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.